Hi, I'm Kevin from Pan and Structure Technology. You are K20CS007. In this video, we are going to see about the implementation of hashing with linear probing. First, I give an introduction to the hashing. In this hash table is a data structure uh, which stores associative manner in the hash table. Data is stored in an array that format where each data value has its unique index value. Access of data becomes very fast if we know that index is desired data. Thus, it becomes the data structure. Thus, it becomes the data structure in which the instruction and search operations are very fast, irrespective of the size of the data. Hash table uses an array as a storage medium and uses hash technique to generate an index where the element is to be inserted is to be located from. The main definition of hashing is a technique that convert a range of keys values into a large range of indices of an array. We are going to use modulo operator to get a range of key value. Consider the example. First, again I explain that linear probing. As we can see, it may happen that it is hashing technique is used to create an already used index of an array. In such a case, we can search the next empty location in an array by looking into the next cell unit until we find an empty cell. This technique is called as in linear probing. The basic operators of this following primary operation hash table is to search the element and insert the element and delete the element. First, data item is equal to data define a data item having some data key based on which the search is to be conducted in the hash table. Uh, After that search operation, whenever an element is to be searched, the compute the hash code. Its key is passed and locate the element using the hash code as index in an array. Use index probing into get an element ahead if the element is not found at the computed hash code. Oh, it want to uh, first you give an enter keyword to search and input enter key to be searched. After that, we are using that linear probing method to element found in the index where to search the element. Else, it will be element we give any other number not equal to that search operation. It will be coming like element not found. After that, we want to see that in insert operation. The insert operation, whenever an element is to be inserted, compute the hash code uh, of the key passed and locate the index using the hash code as an index in an array. You use linear probing to empty location if the element is found at the computed hash code. And after that, we are going to see about the delete operation. The delete operation, whenever an element is to be deleted, compute the hash code of the key passed and locate the index using the hash code as the index in an array. Use linear probing to get an element ahead if an element is not found at the computed hash code. Whenever found stored in dummy item, there is an keep and performance of the hash table intact. After that, we want to give an menu driven operation to give an def display and the print hash table and status equal to size equal to int input to enter the size of the data. After that, the hash table is equal to none of the multiply size. We want to give the size of the array. After that, we want to give a menu driven insert, delete, search, display, etc. Exit. After that, we want to give the enter choice. Let's run the program and see the output. It's running very slowly. Yeah, first I give 4 size, 1 1 to insert the value. First I give 23, after that I give 1, after that I give 43, after that I also insert that 56, and 1, 63. For the element are replaced. If we give another number, it will be throw an error because array is full. So I put an display value. So in this code, it will be in this array. First, if we deleted 63, the place will be none. If we give a 4 to display the values, now we see 43, 56. After 63 we deleted, it will be the place will be none. After that it is 23. After that you want to search the element. I search 23, and the element found at its third position. After that 4 is to display the all elements. Okay, again exit. The result, the output is verified, and for implementation of hashing with linear programming to manage the collision. Okay, thank you.